Hello, hello. Today is December 5. I've done 4 trades and I'm going to be done for the day. And let me take you through them real quick. First one was on gold this morning. This trade on gold this morning was really just a. Ooh, shoot. Let's see here. I'm going to move the screen. Let's see, what can I do here? I know something's not right. I don't know. Okay, let me go. Let me do this. Okay, the first trade today was at 8:20 a.m. and it wasn't really a real trade. It was sort of an experiment because I always notice that at 8:20 a.m. Gold takes off and does something. It usually gets buying. So I took a look here at 8:20. 8:20 was right here. Okay, so basically what I did is, usually a lot of times it'll flush and then it'll go. So I bought some right here and it came back and flushed again and then it went up and I sold it up here. But I only got one lot because it was an experiment. I didn't have a true pattern that I typically would trade off. It was just an experiment to see what would happen. So I just did one lot and I think made like a little more than $2 off that trade. I'm not exactly sure what it was. Yeah, about $191 on that one. Okay, the next trade was on US 500. And on this one, I was experimenting with a double bottom pattern that I was looking at yesterday. And basically, the double bottom pattern or the double top pattern is based on looking at a bigger picture, like a 1 hour chart. You can usually see it a lot easier. So on this one, you can see the double bottom here on the 1 hour. And what you do is you take the neckline and you put a that's a level, and then you try to trade pullbacks above the neckline. So if you go to the 5 minute and you look at that neckline, price broke through once, pulled back. Price broke through again, pulled back directly to the neckline, and put in a hammer. So that's where I bought it. And it would have been a fantastic trade except for the fact that I got shaken out. And that happened twice actually. So basically, what happened is I got in right about here. It went up, came down, shook me out at break even, and then took off. Now, I probably would have gotten out here because this was news, and I don't like to be in when news hits. So yeah, not much loss there really. It's not a big loss, but I got a small $60 loss on that scratch. Then the next time I traded gold was a few minutes later, and basically I was looking at a pattern that let's see here. Just switch this to 5 minute pattern. I like to trade double bottoms off the 8. So by my way of thinking, yeah, what really wasn't a true double bottom, but I would say that the news bottom was the first one here, and then this was the second one. So again, I put my entry right here at the beginning of this 1035 candle with the stop just under this candle. It was a pretty tight stop actually. That's one of the reasons I got shaken out, because the same exact thing happened again. Yeah, it took off right when I bought it. I bought it at the bottom of this candle right here. It went straight up and then went straight back and shook me out again. And then really nice move up. So that really irritated me because, if you look at that, that was that was quite a nice trade. So I kind of said to myself, well, the next time this happens, maybe I won't get in right at the beginning of the 5 minute candle. I'll wait for the shake and then I'll get in. So I was looking at gold, and I really even wasn't going to do it, but I'm like, well, I got a little bit of time left, and I think I see a nice pattern. I picked up a 5 minute pattern over here just a few minutes ago over here. Gold has been trending down, pretty much most of the day. I saw it make a couple of strong moves down. I was really irritated because I realized I missed this one at the beginning of the day. I should have been trading this when I was trading that US 100, because I like to go short better than long. But anyway, this was a classic trade here. Big strong move down with 4 bars, a little bump, another move down with 2 bars, 2 small green candles, and then ending here with this second reaction to the 8, and then that was boom, beautiful trade down. And I missed that one. Anyway, the one I did look at and did like was this one right here. I like this candle because we rejected off the 20, we bounced up, we wicked down, we wicked up. This is a classic pattern I've been watching a lot lately. I call it a fake out, shake out, and then a breakout. So basically you're kind of, the idea behind this one is that you draw in traders with a strong push down, you shake them out with a reversal, and then at the midpoint of that, you kind of go. So if you're looking at a 5-minute, which is what I like to trade off, they're a lot easier to see. And so I decided that instead of getting in right at the beginning of this 5-minute candle, what I was going to do was I was going to wait for the shakeout and then get in. So normally I'd be getting in here and then getting shaken out up here, but instead what I did is I waited for the shake and then I got in, and then it went straight to target. So that, and target was down here because I know that this double bottom and this neckline was going to provide some pretty serious resistance because of the fact if you go like more back to a 1 hour chart, there's some pretty good support at that level in this zone here. So these 2 wick downs right here were pretty strong support. So that was my target. My target was 2012.02, and put it back on a 5. I believe that hit my target exactly, something like that. 2012ish, 2012 area, 2012 and change is where I got out. Actually, I'll show you exactly where I got out. I got out. I actually got out. I was just trying to get 1 hour, so I actually got out 2014, but I knew there was resistance there. I got in 2015.50, got out 2014, so $1.50. I had 10 shares for a $1,409 profit. So anyway, the final for the day. Let's see if I can find my FTMO. Let's see. I'll just go back to this real quick. I don't even know what I made today. It's interesting to take a look here real quick. The day's work. Right. Metrics on the ongoing demo. Take a look at this. 1706 for the day. We had 3 trades. That one little loss was a scratch, but I had that gold trade, that scratch trade, and then that full 1 hour hit for a total of 1706 on the demo. Okay, that's day 3 of this demo, and we're doing good. We're doing really good. We got so far we got about 5,800 profit in 3 days. Okay, that's it for now.